Introduction. Why automate?
Automation scripts help you save time by handling repetitive computer tasks automatically. If you've never written code before, don't worry. Getting started is easier than you think. In this guide, you'll follow a clear, step-by-step process to create your very first simple automation script. No special experience is required, just curiosity and a willingness to try something new.
Choosing a simple automation tool.
For beginners, Python is a great choice because it's widely used and has easy-to-read commands. You'll need to install Python, which is free, from its official website. There are also beginner-friendly code editors such as Thonny or IDLE, which often come packaged with Python. These tools make it easy for you to write, test, and run your first script.
Planning your first script.
Start with a simple task to automate, like renaming multiple files or sending a daily reminder. Think about what you want the script to do and break it into small, clear steps. For example, if you want a script to greet you, the steps are: open Python, write code to display a greeting, and run the script. Keeping it simple makes learning easier.
Writing and running the script.
Open your code editor and type the following. Print "Hello World." This line of code tells your computer to display the words "Hello World" on the screen. Save the file with a name like hello.py. Then click Run or open it from the command line. You've just automated your first task, displaying a message with a script.
Expanding your skills.
Once you're comfortable, try automating slightly bigger tasks, such as backing up files or sending emails. There are many free online resources and tutorials for Python automation projects. Start small, experiment often, and remember that every script you create adds to your growing skills. With practice, automation can simplify your digital life.